Hi, I'm Analytical, and if you are a returning subscriber, thanks for coming back and thank you for all the love and support. And if you're not, go subscribe below, ring the bell, and maybe catch up on a few of the lessons. We're not too far along yet. This next mini-series is going to be all about fonts. Last time we saw how to make different headings and use paragraphs, as well as set the color of our text. I'm going to show you how to bring this drab to this glamour. I will start by creating a new HTML file. Like last time, we'll save it as glamorousfonts.html today, right on the desktop. And like last time, we can do HTML and press enter for the autocomplete, and the text is a little bit bigger this time. We can pick some text at random. Oh, I don't know. There's some good text over here. Why don't we start with H1? Save this and let's just drag from the top part over here right into Chrome. The first thing we'll want to do is use a more modern font. I'm a modern drag queen, so I deserve a modern font. We'll go create the style section like last time. For H1, set the font family to sans serif and use that autocomplete. Sans serif just means without serifs. Here's a little image that can help guide you on what are the serifs. There are a few built-in fonts. You can actually go to W3 Schools and see what kind of fonts there are. These are all fine. We can try copying some of these, kind of in that sans serif family. It's a little sleeker. But if we want to really glam it up, let's pull some custom fonts. So we're going to go to Google Fonts, which is fonts.google.com, link in the description. There are 915 fonts we can choose from. If you click the search button, you can apply different filters. I'm going to go for sans serif and also go for handwriting. We'll see what's kind of in there and sort by trending. And there are lots of cool fonts for me to choose. Google Fonts will use all of these sample sentences so you can see what it looks like. If you want to see what your text is going to look like, you can actually just type it in. So let me actually make this a little bigger. Copy in my piece of text or my string. And now I can click Apply to All Fonts. So now I can see what my text exactly is going to look like. I want to get a thicker font because we're going to do some coloring on this, so I'll set this to be thicker. Oh, work sans! Oh, let's go with this. Okay, click the plus, and here's like a little checkout menu, but it's all free, don't worry. Copy and paste in this link, which will import the font, and you can put that directly under your style tag, not inside it, right under. In the style for font family, we'll replace this with our new font family. Now it feels a little more custom. We can also change the font size. H1 gives you a big font size to start out with, but let's make this as big as we can. I'm gonna do 200 pixels. Scream. Oh my god, this is a little big. I think 150 could be pretty cute, actually. Okay. Work sans. That's all for this video. Continue watching to add more rainbows, glitter, and whatever else you want. Thanks for watching!